Yo, what's up guys? How are you all doing? It is a beautiful morning here in Africa. This is Uganda. We are in my home village right now. We are going to hike this mountain up to some level. I'll show you properly when we reach. Yeah, so it is early morning. We decided to go early. So we are going to meet up with the neighbors that we own together, the trees, like the boundaries, so that they show us properly where we stop, where they stop. We plant the boundary plants, guys, you know. So this is the trading center. Guys, it is just 7:30 and it is already busy. This is a bar, guys. So we are just beginning the hike. Yeah, so let us go. Hey guys, I haven't even told you who I am. If it is your first time here, I am CK to the world. That is my channel name. But my name is Christine Kamsime, coming to you from Uganda. Guys, the pearl of Africa. So we are going. Kindly give the video a like, watch more of my videos. I do lifestyle videos. When I sit down once in a while, I share Bible study, we share the word. And yeah, lifestyle here in Africa where I am. When I travel out of Africa, I still take you along. So I do amazing content. Yeah, how are you? Guys, that is it. Life in the village. Guys, don't even mention child labor. This is just training us to be hardliners. Yeah, like that guy when this one here. There are many there. Muri kurugahe? Muri kurugahe? Muri kubitorahe? Nabichi? Nabisingo? Guys, we grew up doing this. Come. We grew up carrying the rubbish from home, taking it to be like manure. Or how are you? Okay. Guys, look. So this is like a garbage, home rubbish and all. So we grew up doing this, guys. Carrying the rubbish at home, taking it to mulch like a plantation. And it is a distance. Oh guys, let me save him from the car. Cow. Okay, give way. Shh. Okay, you pass. Muyitao. All right, guys. Guys, I had to make a way for them so that they are safe from this cow. It can turn against them anytime. Yeah, so I was telling you how we grew up doing these such activities, and they have shaped us, guys, to what we are. To what I am, guys. All together with my siblings. They are ahead of me over there. So I did what? Here is another one. So we have to pass carefully. It might kick you. So if these children make it in life in future, there is nothing they can't fail to do. There is nothing they can fail to do, guys. Why? Because now, guys, if you survive passing in such roads, when you grow up and find a wider road, can you fail to say, oh, me, there is far, what, I can't go? Guys, send me anywhere. As long as I have the money to get there, I am there. Because I was raised in such an environment. Neighbors have cars. Kale, bye. Guys, so they are taking this side. I'm taking this side. I am rushing because my sisters are ahead of me. My mother couldn't make it today. Guys, I don't know what that cow is complaining about. These are our neighbors in like a few meters. Yeah. So, whew, guys, we are we are just below. Here are some sheep. Yeah. And the sound of the birds behind me. They are there. So, these are the places that have shaped us. We would pass here and break some. These are guavas. Let me show you. Like, growing up, you just pick one and go eating. They are not. Guys, this is a guava. They are for neighbors, like community. Guys, in Africa, it is all about community living. So, you just pick and eat as you go. Morning snack. So, these guys have left me already. I am panicking to catch them. Yeah, kindly give the video a like. Comment, tell me what you think of these videos, guys. I'm already, something has entered my eye. Yeah, so, guys, organic. So this is how we live life. We are here. I've caught them, guys. They are greeting neighbors. Yes. These are typical African homesteads. Like that. So, guys, this is how we store our crops, our harvest. This is 1, 2. These are granaries, guys. If you study it, you know that is how we keep our harvests, guys. So yeah, let us continue. We were passing at one of our neighbors to take us up in the hill. And of course, this is our bathroom. Yeah. If you know, guys, you know. Now we are setting out. These are the exercises we do here. Jumping the what? Emikoche. What do you call that? Like where the water runs from up going down and you have to jump it so that you continue your way. Yeah. Here the cash crop they have, we grow most of these. That is coffee and of course bananas. Guys, you can see this is serious business. These are about to get ready. These are ready for harvest. These are ready for harvest. Guys, this is beautiful matoke. I think the guy gives the plants attention. This is the support so that it doesn't fall out. And tejezo. Yeah, perfect work. The mulching, good. The supporting of the plants, and you can see it does not lie. Enkumbi terimba. If you put in the work, it does respond compared to on this other side. Yep. So let us continue. Hey, the owner is here. Rirota. Hey, he's right there. Doing his farm. So let us continue. I'll take you guys. We are close to the mountain. We are going to hike right now, though this is a steep. I'm already sweating, so my morning exercises is already doing well. Usually, guys, every morning I try to make sure that I make 10,000 steps. Woo. You see the difference now. This is not worked on, and there are no bananas. The ones that are here are smaller because the workmanship. Yeah, if you put in the work, guys, just know in everything, if you put in the work, it yields as much, even if it is even in a relationship. What you put in is usually what you get. Yeah. Now, you can see, same neighbor, same place, different yields. These ones are tiny. And you can see all these are supposed to be pruned off. Yeah. But they are down. Guys, forgive my breathing. We are coming from down there. The rest of the team are ahead of me. As I do content for you, I slow down. Yeah. But the place is steep, man. Guys, so you see organic guavas. Wow. Let me harvest these. Guys, the views are amazing. Hey guys. Guys. Turenda go kunenani na just turajeni. Guys, we are adding ourselves. Shogora John. Agari nkama bisimu. Guys, we are harvesting.
Muganda.
Guys, it's beginning to be tough. Sorry. Breakfast. I even don't know. Knock. Guys, I'm about to throw these guavas so that we get support. I'm about to throw them because I need to touch down in case of sliding. Guys, see how far we have come. So you guys, you see why my village is called a basin? We are surrounded by hills. So my home is right here. Right here, this roof is our home. Yeah, so it is called a basin because we are surrounded by hills. Right now, I am seated on this other hill, and all around are hills, snacking on my freshly harvested guavas. Freshly harvested guavas, so fresh, like organic, 100%. So, why you... Guys, I'm with people who are putting... Let me explain this. Why we hiked this morning is not just hiking for fun. One of my sisters has trees here, so we are putting landmarks. Also, like what we did in the previous video. Yeah, so that we mark them well. Because as we grow, even the energy to come up here, even the knees, even the legs, even the back, they are giving way on us. So we need proper landmarks so that they are clear, just in case we send someone to check on them, they are well marked. Yeah, so that is the purpose of this video. They are already there, putting the first one. Yeah, this guy is helping us to show us the marks because he's the one who sold us. Guys, do you see how steep it is? The last one. So guys, if you watched my previous video, right here, these trees are ours. It is where we were marking yesterday. In this valley, these are our trees around here. Yeah, we have some trees here. We have some trees here. Yeah, so we are, guys, by African definition, we are rich. That's why, guys, you see me, I am, hey, I am living large, even in Kampala. Why? Because we have property. In Africa, true definition is by what you own. If you have cows, you are rich. If you have plantations, you are rich. If you have trees, you are rich. If you have farms, you are rich. So, guys, you guys who give us wrong definition of riches, even if you don't have money, but you have bananas, you are considered rich. Yeah, so I think each one should hold their perspective to define wealth. Right now for us, these are our riches. Hey, guys, so I am tired seated on this rock. Yeah, as they are doing the work, putting the landmarks in each point. Yeah, so if you have such trees, in case you need money, you cut and sell and you have the money. That's why I say we are rich, guys. Such a beautiful place, so peaceful. The views are spectacular. So, you know, look. So down here is home, and I'm on this other hill right here. This is what we have hiked this morning to do this activity. So guys, if rain comes, you have to stay here. You wait until all the water goes down. These are rocks, tiny, tiny rocks. But when it is rainy season, the water flows from up here, up that hill, come down like that. And this is what hits down at our home. Yeah, we are usually affected by floods, and many people die, like especially the drunkards, like they feel that they can cross the water, then it sweeps them away. But otherwise, if you don't get into its way, you are safe. But right now, this is where it passes, coming downhill there. So this is Zomukoche. I don't know what we call it in English, but yeah, you slope here. The water slopes like that down to our home. Yeah, serious flows. Guys, look at these beautiful rocks. I wanted to sit on one of them. So this is where I was telling you, if water comes from, let me show you properly. It comes from up here, coming down here, passing on these rocks, going down here on this other hill. And water goes up to down there and spreads. Let me sit here. All these trees are ours. You see how beautiful they are. Wow, a good type, like they look polished, like washed. Let me take you on that one and I show you. Guys, something has eaten me. There is a biting, a spiking plant. It is a creeping plant called enjenyi, guys. Enjenyi, guys, it is itching. It has, I think I passed my hand on it. Oh, guys, it is right here. This thing is called enjenyi in my language, and when your hands passes here, if you rub your hands on it, this one, it is itching. They used to tell us that if you urinate on bed, or like if you bedwet at night, they beat you this on your bum. Let me get it carefully. Yeah, so you see, its back has tiny, tiny thorn-like pieces. If you rub your hands on it, on the skin, it itches. Enjenyi, guys, this is it. There are many here, but I am putting on a long legging so they can't hurt me on the legs. Here it is. This is a creeping plant. This one. It is called enjenyi in our language. It has, I rubbed it without seeing, like I passed my hand like this, and it's, guys, it is like itching. Yeah, this is the tree that I wanted to bring you at. These trees are eucalyptus trees, but this is so clean, like the skin, the back, the outer back has come out. Guys, look, it is looking beautiful, so white, but these backs get off and it cleans itself up, you know. Look, wow. Its other is also, we used even to gather these as firewood, guys. We would come and peel growing up, like you take these home for firewood. Like these, they can light so well, but they consume so fast. Yeah, so this is how it is. You see, it peels itself until it becomes this white. It has its own mechanism of doing it. Wow, even that one is doing it well. Guys, I'm seeing the children of our neighbor are here picking firewood, fetching firewood. Guys, when I see them, I really see the lifestyle that we grew up in. Like, this is a typical village life. We would come up the hill, fetch the firewood, go fetch water, cook, karamatoke. Guys, life here was tough, but we are here. God has been so faithful. And guys, I can never take it for granted. This far the Lord has brought us. Ooh, growing up is amazing. We would come and pick all these, the ones that have been peeling off from this tree, and take them home for cooking, for our mother to cook for us a meal. Look at even this one, it is peeling. Wow. Guys, he's fetching firewood. Guys, this is how we grew up. Guys, guys, when we say firewood, you might be thinking that they are they are big sticks. Guys, these are the firewoods that are going to cook a meal. Wow, this is how we came. Firewood, guys, some of you might be thinking that they are big chunks of wood. No, you gather this slowly, slowly. Then you go back home for your mother to cook for you a meal. Kamwashenye yayo. Kumwashenye yayo. Eyayo rajimanya. Ijo oyore no bugeno bugite ho. Burahembo muri. Guys. That one is cheating. Reka twaye chitoiche. Guys, that one has decided. You use your butt to go down, otherwise you fall. Okay, Isha. Guys, you're going to see his firewood. The mother is going to cook a meal using... this one is picking what I was gathering. Jona biyoro bito. Mpora mpora. Biyoro obito. Hati we washenyezo. Ziraza kuteka. Zirateka mizi. Guys, this is how we grow up here in Nyarushanje, guys. We are here in the basin. This is how we grow up. Then after you tell me that I can fail, guys, then after knowing Christ, things also become much, much easier because I believe I can do everything through Christ who gives me the strength. He's inside me, guys. Like, I can literally do each and everything by his strength. There is no way you grow like this and you keep... even when you grow up and things are pushing, you also push back. Guys, muronde kukamba shenye se. Kamba shenye se. Guys, let me pick for them a few firewood for them to go home and cook. We look for firewood together. Now, guys, this is the firewood. Firewood. Emigogomore yoka. Ebishari, guys, ebishari. Omugogo. Zambaba. Guys, I'm here gathering firewood. If you thought firewood, they are big sticks. So far, so good. Ooh, I'm seeing down there some. Guys, to make a meal in Africa, you think it is a joke. It is not. Every meal you calculate the firewood you're going to use. Guys, I'm going to give out this firewood because for us at my mother's home we use charcoal and gas. Torezi. Ono gwara zibasa tora wari wazi mutwari. This can warm water. It can also cook katogo, guys. Katogo is mixed food, like you cook beans and put matoke inside and Irish. Yeah. Guys, tuvewano. Jura yaza kutushanga kunu. Guys, we have to get out of this place. The thunderstorms. Guys, the thunderstorms have started to sound, and if you look at the other hill, you see the clouds have descended, so we have to run before it finds us here. Otherwise, this water will block us. Guys, in Kabale, here in Kabale, Rukunjiri, Chigezi, the whole, we call over the hills, like opposite hill, you call. Right now, I'm going to call my sisters to come and we pass on this shortcut. Yes! Ngomwe. Guys. Ramba, bye. Mwija turabe kunuya. Ngukunu ni hohi. Muchikame. Guys. Mwija kunu nguniyo shortcut. Kunu muchikame. Guys, I wish you knew the people we are calling, how far they are. But we are using this shortcut to avoid the rain. Mazima, the rain is going to find us here. Guys, it is going to be sad if this rain finds us here. It becomes impossible. Mwija turabe kunu. Guys, this is the plant I was telling you. If you pass your skin on it, it is itchy. And guys, the rain is down. I don't know the thing how it is going to go. But right now we are descending the hill from our trees. So let us go where it finds us. We shall take a shelter on any neighbor's home. Guys, I didn't want the rain to find us here. But on the opposite side, you see the clouds have descended. Yes, such a beautiful place, but yeah. Let us rope agandi bana. Murireje. Guys. Let's use here. Mama, the rain. I even don't have the energy to run. But I hope we will get home before it starts. It is now gathering. Whew. But at least we are happy that the activity has gone well. The neighbors were available to show us where they end, where we begin and where they end, guys. Yep. Hopefully we are getting there before the rains are down. Woo, guys, let me show you on the upper side where we are coming from. Even the rain the clouds have hidden the hill, but here it is still showing, guys. This is where we were at, like that. These trees are ours, and up is another hill. Let us continue descending. Whoa! What is it? Guys, these children are going to pick. Are you children? Are you girls? These are girls. This was typical us going up to the hills. They are going to pick firewood. Morarize. Guys, we had a thing called okuraza, and it was like cutting trees, plants, and then you leave them to dry. Then after like 2 weeks, you come and check on them. So that's what they have told me. They are going to fetch the firewood they had earlier cut. Like you cut raw trees, you give them time to dry. Then after like 2 weeks, you go and pick. Now the sad story is here. You would kuraza, and then other girls or boys come and steal it. Now they might reach there, what they thought they had cut and they are going to pick, they find that other friends have already taken them to their homes. Okuraza. Guys, now here I'm taking you to Entabo. Guys, Entabo. But bano aba bahanisira ningaba. Guys, these are bananas here. They are ripening, then they are going to press banana juice out of them. Okunyuka. If you find them peeling the matoke to press the banana juice, you also sit and eat bananas for free as you help out. Guys, village life, that is how they first put fire with these dry banana leaves. Then they make it warm, then cover it fire with more banana leaves, the raw ones. Then they put the bananas. That heat that stays under ripens it quicker, like in 3 days. It is ready for peeling, as they put in the what is it called? Obgato, like it is a boat, guys. I don't know whether they still use those ones to press, but it was something like a boat, like the way you know boats on the okay, they are canoes, like that thing. So they put the bananas peeled and put some grass to press. Then at the end of the day, the juice comes out, and yeah. Whew. So the girls that we met behind there, they were carrying banana fibers. It is what they are ropes. We would use them as ropes to tie the firewood. So you see, they had a panga. They also had ropes to go and tie their firewood. If they are lucky enough that no one has already stolen them, carried. So they also go, if by chance they find other people's firewood, they also fetch. Yeah, life in the village here. Wow. That one has decided to run off. Let me follow. Guys, we are running on this steep. No wonder we are strong people. Guys, I am just chilling here. I am damn tired. Kindly give the video, comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye. Shalom. Ciao, ciao. Adios. Guys, where we are coming from, it is already thick. The rain is almost down. But thank God that we have survived the rain. Even if it begins now, we can run up to home. So this is how the video has gone down. Kindly give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will definitely see you. Peace out. Peace. Guys, see what we have survived. The rain anytime from now is going to fall. Thank God we are now home. This is our backside of our homestead. All right, guys. Ciao, ciao.